Few issues that I have about the Kind pump. Only 5 grams. Well, we'll see about that. And we're also going to take this Kind pump and also put it up against the FlexTail and actually compare and contrast these 2 different air pumps. Well, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy. Why might you want to buy an air pump? Well, imagine this. You're hiking all day long and you finally get to camp and you're tired, you're fatigued, and you just want to eat dinner. The last thing you want to do is actually blow up an air mattress, and it takes time and it actually takes all the wind out of you. No pun intended. Well, let's get into the stats and maybe this will convince you differently. Here it is. It is the Kind pump. It advertises that it's 5 grams, and we're going to double check over there just in a minute. But this is an ultralight air pump for backpacking. And if we look at the back, it says that it needs a C charger and that you can use this up to 500 times as long as you have a 10 milliamp battery bank. It is also very compatible with all your famous air mattresses. Now, I have the thermarest, so that's the one that we are going to be testing out today. But let's open this up and I can show you everything that's inside of it. So it comes with directions, and then it shows you like all the different adapters that you can use. And again, we're going to be using the thermarest. But how do you install this? And it does take a lot of effort to actually install it. So before we install the adapter, let's take a look at this. So this is actually pretty impressive. So there is a speed high and low switch right over here. Turn that left to right, and then it has a C port, and it has a C-to-C adapter right over here. And you plug this thing in and wait for it to clip in, and then you take your battery bank, plug this in, and you can hear it. Now that's on the high setting, and let me show you what the low setting sounds like. Switch it to low, and that's the low setting. So definitely a big difference. And there's the high setting. Now to install the different adapters, and this is the thermarest adapter, you'll notice on the thermarest adapter in all of them, they actually have a little lip on the side, the very top side. This is on all of them. So right there's the lip right there, and there's the lip right there. And this is actually the most challenging part. The reason why, because you need to slide it through. So you almost screw it on and then have it go through this little edge right over here. And that can be a challenge because once you get it on, then you got to stretch it apart and actually snap this in place. So I'm going to try to do this. Hopefully this takes me a couple seconds. I got it on, and then I'm going to slide it through. Okay, so it looks like it's slid through all the way. Then I'm going to take this and kind of like pull on the outside, and they are flexible. Okay, so that actually went on a little bit easier, mainly because I've done this a couple times already and I've already struggled with this. And then what you would do is, you know, you put this right on your thermarest, and then it will go ahead and inflate it. But let's take a weight limit on all this because the stats do matter. So this claims that it's 5 grams. 5 grams. And for the ounce counters like myself, it weighs 0.19. That's in ounces. Now, what I do need, because it actually comes with all these different adapters, I'm actually just going to put this thing on and get the total weight. So total weight is 6 grams, ounces 0.2. And let's just weigh everything together because I'm curious. We're looking at 9 grams for this whole mechanism to actually work, minus the battery, of course, and 0.29 ounces. Now for the competitor, the FlexTail, the weight is 1.78. That's in ounces. In grams, 51 grams. That's not included the adapter right here. So with the adapter and everything, we're looking at 2.17 in ounces. In grams, 62 grams. But just for giggles, let's take out the battery and get a total weight without the battery. This is without the battery, weighs 46 grams compared to our 9 grams. That's incredible actually. But now let's go ahead and actually see it actually work in person. So before I get into some of the things that I really don't like about this pump, let me tell you about the channel, just in case if you're a new viewer. So I post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I go over gear review, and sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, but at least they're my honest opinion. And again, I buy all this equipment with my own money, so I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. But let's get back into the video. Yeah, buddy. This is my favorite part of the whole video, mainly because it's a test and I like doing different kind of tests. So right now we got the FlexTail and then we got the KinSun pump. First, we're going to start with the FlexTail and see how fast this actually blows up. I got the timer right here. And again, this is a thermal rest, the short version, so it's not a full version. But again, we can go ahead and still test this. So as soon as I put this thing on, I'm going to click on this and start the timer. Start. "26 seconds. And just proof, nice and pumped up. All right, next test. Test number 2, the KinSun pump. So again, we're gonna clip this thing on, and as soon as I plug this in, I'm gonna start the clock. All right, we're gonna stop it at 38 seconds. Now we're gonna notice a difference, so it wouldn't blow up anymore, and you can see that it's not completely pumped. And it says this, that after you blow it up, you're gonna have to put 1 to 3 different breaths in there in order to actually get this to a full pump. So we're gonna go ahead and test that too. All right, so this is fully pumped now, and yeah, buddy, next test. So I want to give you a close-up on actually how I actually do it. So this piece actually clips right around, and then you just plug in your battery bank, and then it inflates your air mattress. A few issues that I have about the KinSun pump is, well, for starters, it comes with this adapter right here. I mean, that is small. It's about the size of my finger. And I've already lost this once just trying to demonstrate over here in a control setting. Imagine if I'm out there backpacking and I'm trying to do stuff like out in the woods and it's dark outside. Yeah, so very easy to actually lose this. Now, a solution, and I actually bring one of these for when I go backpacking all the time because I do filming. I do a C2C charger, but it's just a little bit bigger and allows me to plug in my cell phone so I can still operate it. So this piece right here, it might be nice, but I think it's almost too small to actually use. Am I gonna bring it? Yeah, I'm gonna bring it because it only weighs like, I think it was like another gram. So it's not that much of a weight add-on. But I'm always going to have a backup just in case if I do lose this. Another issue I have about this is mainly it was very difficult for me to actually install the different adapters. Now I've only tested the thermal rest adapters because that's all I have, and it was very difficult for me to actually install. So again, I highly recommend that you actually install this before you actually go backpacking because your hands might be dirty, greasy, and it's just going to be more of a difficult thing to actually do when you're out there trying to backpack. Now the third thing that I have about this, the KinSun pump, it doesn't fit all thermal rest air mattresses. So it only fits the newer models. I have an older model right here, then I have the newer model right here. And it only fits the newer model. If you're trying to buy this and you're like, well, I got a thermal rest air pad and it works because it says on it, well, let me rephrase it. It will, as long as it's the newer model. But again, if you like videos like this where I'm out there backpacking and doing silly stuff, you might want to hit that subscribe button. And again, this is Coach Bill 315, and this was a review on this pump right here, the Kin pump, and I hope you guys have an excellent day out there backpacking. Yeah, buddy.
The Kin pump.